Hello everybody, Matthew Simmons here. I want to bring another original knot. This is the Honorary Wreath knot. Let's go ahead and get started. This is my left side. It's at the belt line. I'm going to put it over, I'm going to put it in a dimple and bring it over to the center like this. Come across the center and I'm going to fold down like this and then come back up. So I learned that from Boris Mocha. And then I'm going to learn this, also learn this from Boris Mocha. I'm going to leave this kind of like this at a slant. Like that. And then I'm going to kind of fold it in half, leave it at a slant, and then I'm going to bring this back around, and it's also at a slant, and then I'm going to come around like this. Boom, here we have it, and then I'm going to come across like so. Make sure that that's kind of sticking out like that. Then I'm going to come down here, and I'm going to kind of twist it like this to where we have this, and then I'm going to do a wreath with the remaining part of it. And then I'm going to bring this up here like so. So you have a wreath here, and then it's kind of folded right here. Then I'm going to put this like this. Put my collar down. And if you want to see this picture on my Instagram, go check out Simmonsessentials. You'll see the better picture of it. So on your own side, my friends, you're fearfully wonderfully made. Catch you in the next video.